Okay, so hello everybody. Today I have the great honor to be speaking with Markus Hessinger, who is co-founder at coreSensing. And coreSensing actually won the HERMES Startup Award this year at Hannover Messe Digital Edition, and that's exactly what we're going to be talking about. Markus, first question. You are one of the co-founders of coreSensing. Just let me know briefly what motivated you to start the company.
Well, thank you very much. Working on technical innovations motivates us because we can experience how they solve many current problems in the industry. Doing our research at Technical University in Darmstadt, we found a promising approach to upgrade existing mechanical components to smart sensors. So based on this new solution, we built up a great team with people of complementary fields and expertise. We have a lot of fun working together to achieve our own goals. And this is something you can only have in your own company.
And an extremely interesting topic because, of course, in the whole fields of Industry 4.0, digitalization, the sensor is actually a really critical component. And the way I understand it, your product with which you won the HERMES Award, coreIN is, I think, the name, is a very robust, very reliable sensor that records data directly and wirelessly from, and I think this is the key point, from rotating components. So can you tell me a little bit more about coreIN?
Yeah, first, very good explanation of our sensor. There's not much to add. So in general, measuring loads in rotating components is not an easy task, but it's a reliable approach for predictive maintenance and condition monitoring solutions right now. So usually you need an additional torque sensor, which is required, and you have to modify the whole drivetrain. You have to design the machine completely new with this additional sensor. With our solution, with our sensor, you can go directly into existing components and measure at the place of action. So coreIN is the first sensor that you can integrate into various machine elements, for instance, of production plants and commercial vehicles. And existing components, such as drive shafts and couplings, become smart sensor then, and they have an integrated data acquisition and also interpretation unit for a real benefit of the whole system.
That's perfect. And I think the jury emphasized also one point at the Startup Award, the importance of startups for innovation, especially in like an industrial field where you have normally you have big companies, really major companies, and startups have the ability to translate new ideas and bring new ideas a whole lot quicker to the market. How is your view on that, and why are startups faster than established companies, in your opinion?
Yeah, that's a good question that I can only try to answer. I think established companies have a fundamental knowledge in their fields and continuously adapt their products to new requirements of the market. So they have an existing business model and focus on successfully executing it. And startups don't. They have to be innovative to survive. As a startup, the only thing that you have is an idea that, in your opinion, many people need, that this is a solution for an unsolved problem. So your main goal is to scale this solution and to make your first profit. And sometimes, if you're very lucky, you found a new and successful business model, and just based on this simple idea.
And I think a major important role is also to convince new customers to buy in your new innovation. And I think you have customers like the Elbe Group, R&W, Bornemann. How do you get in contact with your customers? How do you acquire them?
Well, that's, besides the technology, it's the most challenging part. In the past, we presented our products and prototypes mostly in a small booth or as a visitor at industrial fairs like Hannover Messe. And we already received great interest of our solution. And I guess in our case, the convincing argument was that there's only a little adaptation needed to integrate our standardized sensor into the various forms of our customers' products. Now, since last year, it changed a little bit. So nowadays we focus more on online marketing with our website and social media platforms for professionals, such as LinkedIn. And there we try to find interesting use cases for our sensor solution and then introduce them to important players in the relevant fields.
Perfect. And last question that I have for you today is, how important is actually the HERMES Startup Award for you? And what does it mean for your work with your team and further developments at Core Sensoring?
Yeah, first of all, we are very thankful and proud of this winning this important award. As a young founder, it feels good to get such a positive feedback for our product by the proven experts in your jury. I think they know future trends in the industrial market and they see a good fit of our product. Winning this award, we hope to reach new possible users of our sensor system. And most of all, we are looking forward to present our products on the upcoming Hannover Messe next year, where we are in present and meet all our customers.
Marcus, those were perfect closing words. I couldn't have said it better. Thanks a lot for the opportunity to be speaking with you. A lot of greetings to your team, and also from my side, hope to see you and hope to see all viewers next year at Hannover Messe in April. See ya.
Thank you very much.